guys, welcome back to my channel, Persian Friends Vlogs. Today, as you can see, I have got the new Apple AirPods Pro, and let me just start by saying they are absolutely fantastic. Okay, they are amazing. Okay, these are the Pro versions, and I'll show you the difference between the Pro versions and the original AirPods, the first gen. And these ones, I pre-ordered them as soon as they announced them. As soon as I found out, I was like, bam, pre-order. Okay, and then yeah, basically I got them yesterday, release day, as you can see from the unboxing that you just watched. And today I have been testing these out, and so far they have been amazing. Let me start by saying the transparency mode that they've got, where you enable it and you can hear everything going on outside as well as like when you speak. That's ace. I tried it basically. Went out down to Victoria Station. What better way to test out the transparency mode than at London's busiest train station, alright? So, you know, there's trains and stuff, when they start going by, you can hear the engine of the train like roaring, especially when you're sitting on the train and another one like speeds by. And you know, you can hear everything as you would when they make an announcement on the train. You know, you can hear your music still playing, and you can hear all of that too. And then you enable noise cancellation, and it is literally like going from like noise to, and it's like, wow, it's like everything around you just cuts off, and you're just like, if you're playing music, you just literally just like in your own bubble and listening to your music. It is amazing. Yeah, as you can see here on the side, it's got like a small force touch control on there, and it's really nice. The battery will run out quicker if you're constantly using it on the noise cancellation and the transparency mode, so that's something to keep in mind. So I've had the AirPods Pro in for about 2 hours straight this morning, and I didn't have to fiddle with it once. I didn't feel like it was about to fall out once. They were in, I like adjusted it, got my fit, and that was it. That was done. So I'll tell you one thing, we are going to do a slow feed test, because I haven't recorded the slow feed yet on my iPhone 11 Pro. But as you can see, these are the original AirPods, and you can see the size of it there on my face, just past the earlobe there, and the AirPod Pro above the earlobe. So it's almost like, I'd say it's about 2/3 the size of the AirPod, the original AirPod in length. But yeah, you can see that's the AirPod Pro, that's the original AirPod, and that is the AirPod Pro, original AirPod. So you can see the size difference between the two. There's a vast difference. I know these are chunkier, and you know, the internet's been going on about how they look like a hairdryer or a Pokemon or something, but Apple have outdone themselves with this product. These are absolutely fantastic. I'm going to leave like a little chart up here so you can see how the touch controls there work on the force touch sensor on the AirPod Pro. And also they've got microphones on the outside and the inside of the AirPods, so that helps when you're listening on the transparency mode. It really does help, you know, what you can hear. And I know a lot of people are going to complain about the price difference between the AirPods and the AirPods Pro, but I can tell you this from day one, first day of use on the AirPod Pro, it's worth the money. It's definitely worth the upgrade. If you have the original AirPods and you're looking to upgrade, AirPods Pro is the way to go. If you guys didn't see already, my AirPods Pro have been engraved with my name on it. So yes, I have my own custom made official Apple AirPods Pro case, and I've never had the laser engraving on any Apple product before, but that's nice. I like that a lot. This is the original AirPods case, so if I just close these, you can see the size difference between the cases. It's almost like the Pro case is the normal case, but just sideways. Okay, so I am going to continue to go test out these AirPods Pro. guys, I just got what the Starbucks are calling a Phantom Frappuccino. I'm a bit scared to try it, but yeah, I don't even know what's in this thing, so I didn't ask, I didn't look at the menu. I just saw Phantom Frappuccino with it's black. So I'm just gonna try it now and see what it tastes like. The lady that served me said it's nice, so I don't know. But yeah, it's like, I know the green stuff is supposed to be slime, but it's lime. And as for the rest of it, I don't know. So yeah, let's give it a try. Okay, it's not bad. Tastes kind of gooey, but tastes kind of like lemon and like citrus. But it's not bad. It's got a really gooey aftertaste that leaves in your mouth. I don't know what that is. But yeah, I'm gonna carry on trying that. And if the vlog doesn't continue, then you know, it was the Phantom Frappuccino. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up icon. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.